Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger microphone. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger microphone, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps, you will go to this window of Messenger. Then this list of app and for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, you will go to Play Store. Here you will go to click uninstall. When you will uninstall your app, you can wait a moment and you can install again your application to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.